Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a different kind of unboxing. This is a wallet that I picked up that has been showing up in my Instagram feed. So I wanted to open this up, take a look at it, let you know what I think, and see if it's worth the money that you pay for it. So let's get started. All right, so we've got our regular unboxing knife here. This is a cool little gadget I picked up from a company on Amazon. It is, I believe you pronounce it Alumu. It's Aulumumu, and it's got this really cool little ceramic blade on the end that you can use. It's also a MagSafe stand for your mobile device, but I really like this little ceramic blade here. So we're just going to go ahead, open this guy up and see what we get in here. All right, so this is from a brand called Code 118, and I've been seeing this show up on, like I said, on my Instagram feed. So wanted to check this out. I always like checking out new wallets. I don't believe it's MagSafe, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get in here. All right, and this is the jet black version. All right, so we've just got your plain plastic cardboard box. It's got some writing on here with code 118. Kind of a nice print on there. So let's go ahead and open that up. Let's see. All right, so we've got a card here. It says, welcome to the Code 118 family. The meaning behind Code 118 comes from the 118 incredible and unique elements in our universe. So that's pretty cool. On the back here, we got a 10% off coupon. We've got a QR code for a user manual, and we get a lifetime warranty, which is always great. And then we got some of their social media branding there. And this is the wallet. So let's go ahead and pull it out. And oh, nice. Very light. It is a very light wallet. So what intrigued me about this is it's got a trigger down here. And if you pull that trigger, it's supposed to pop up those cards. So we'll stick some cards in there and take a look. It's also got a really cool cash strap here. So you can put some cash in here. And it looks like we've got some code 118 branding on the side and nothing there. And then on the bottom, so there is that trigger that we're going to check out how that works. And that's what really kind of caught my eye. Never had a wallet like that before. So let's go ahead and get some cards in there and see how it works. All right, so I've gone ahead and loaded up some cards in here. So this particular model can hold up to 1 to 7 cards in the chamber, up to 3 cards in the strap. It is made out of 6061 T6 aerospace grade aluminum, and it has a 3K carbon fiber. Also has RFID signal blocking, which is great. Like I said, it is very light in the hand. So we'll go ahead and check this out. On the back, we're just going to go ahead and put some cash there, and let's check this out. All right, so if we just click that there, we get our cards, and you can easily access a card, put those back in, and just easily just pop that, and you can see that that is just a great little, just pops, no issues, pretty satisfying. And I really like that carbon fiber that you can see there with the code 118 emblem logo there on the cash strap. So definitely a cool find. These are on sale, I think, right now for about $29.95. I would definitely check this out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But let me know what you think. Don't usually do unboxings of this type of accessory, but thought it was kind of cool. Wanted to let you check it out. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and always click that bell notification so you're updated with new videos. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.